Hey, so my name is Brad Lazarus. I'm CMO over here at FitKit Bodycare. We are essentially an exercise and workout recovery toiletry brand. So what we do is we take everyday toiletries and we put active recovery ingredients in them. So this one, for example, here, this one is an electrolyte face moisturizer. So think about all those electrolyte drinks that you might have after a workout or after exercise. We put all of those electrolytes and minerals into a face moisturizer. So it's a really kind of clever, unique idea, which people love. This one here is the CBD body moisturizer. This is all over body moisturizer with CBD and sauna oils in it. Again, all of these products work transdermally, so they work through absorbing through the skin. This is got magnesium in it. This is the body recovery shower gel, which is great. So these are really nice, unique pouches, which people really like as well. So a number of other products as well. So around about towards the end of last year, last kind of quarter or so of last year, we were redeveloping our website. We'd kind of neglected to kind of really communicate with our list of subscribers. So that was one thing that we needed to kind of address as we moved into Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then into Christmas, because we know that through the history of the business, which has primarily been a retail business, but we were repositioning towards a D2C business model, throughout most of last year, that it's a very giftable brand. So we knew that Christmas was going to be quite a busy period for us, busy sales period for us. So we really wanted to wake up the list of existing subscribers. And we also knew that because we hadn't been too active in terms of we hadn't been building that list for a good few months of last year. So we needed to really start to generate some more leads, so that we could go into Black Friday and into Christmas being able to put offers in front of a more engaged list and new subscribers as well. So we did this in really through a lead generation campaign. So what I'll do is I'll just take you through the process now, and I'll show you some of the landing page and some of the numbers around it. Here we are inside of the marketing, essentially the funnel plan here. To give you a sense, it's a lead generation giveaway competition. We started this around about the beginning of November, and then we were going to reveal the competition winner on the 18th of November. And the objective was to build a list of prospects to put our Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and our Christmas offers in front of. As I mentioned as well, we were also looking to wake up the existing list as well, the existing subscriber base. So we were prepared to target cold, warm, and buyers as well. So the traffic sources were going to come from ads, from Facebook ads, email, organic social. The idea is then that we were going to then get them to opt in to the giveaway, to the competition. Then on the thank you page, going to present to them an offer for a discount, which I'll show you now, and then put them on a nurture list where we were looking to get them to purchase so that we could the objective there was to at least cover the cost of the Facebook ad traffic. So I'll show you some of those numbers as well. So here is some of the ads, really super simple ads that we put together here. Really just pictures of the product focused on the offer, win FitKit for 6 months. So really not much more than that. Once they had clicked there, once they clicked on learn more, we basically sent them through to this Zipify page here, which anyone that's been around Zipify for a while might notice this template. I got this template straight from Zipify and then threw some of our branding in it. It was super simple to do. All I did here was actually create a video just showing what that 6-month supply would look like. That was really easy to do. Just slip that into one of the block elements here. Took some of our background and create a background inside that element. And then this was very, this pretty much as the template was. Once they'd, so just show you a little bit more down here. Again, just building it using using a mix of the blocks and the elements that exist in the builder, but starting off with the template, which was really easy to do. So it was really like look consistent with our branding as well, which was great. So once somebody had entered their email here, we then drop them into this. So the idea here on this particular thank you page was that we wanted them to make a purchase so that we could really self-liquidate the Facebook ad traffic and at least break even on our lead generation costs. So here is congrats, you're entered. Then we give them this give 20 checkout, this code which they can use to get 20% off the checkout. Then we begin the process of starting to introduce them to the product range, where we call it meeting the team. So again, super simple to kind of put together here. With a link through to go and shop, and then some social proof down here as well. So that was really it. That was once they'd opted in. A lot of people actually also use the pop-up here. So if somebody did go away from this, we created that exit intent pop-up, which was really easy to implement as well. And they could go and click on that and go and use that give 20 code. Once they were entered here, we then put them on a Klaviyo flow. I think it was about 4 to 5 emails. So we got a number of different purchases straight from this landing page, this thank you page, as well as from the Klaviyo flow. So I'll just show you some of the numbers now as well. So here's some of the numbers from that from the campaign. So we spent so we ran this from the 7th of November through to the 18th of November, and we spent about £300 on Facebook ads. What's that, about $350 or so? Facebook attributed 567 leads. I think that's pretty underreported, but essentially we were getting about 53 pence per lead, which is between 60 65 cents per lead. For us, that's 53 pence per lead, which I would take all day, every day, which was a fantastic result for us. Facebook was telling us that we had 11 sales off the back of that, and it generated revenue of 263. It was actually more than that, which I'll show you now. Bear in mind, we had spent £300 on Facebook ads. So our objective was just to break even on that Facebook ads and build a list. So even if we took Facebook's numbers, which I think are underreported, we'd be getting really, really close. If I go down to here, you'll notice that the sales revenue from Klaviyo was showing 646. So this giveaway and the landing page was costing us £300 for Facebook ads, and we were generating more than double that from a revenue perspective, off the back of direct sales, off the back of that thank you page, as well as in the email follow up. So that was great. We were really, really happy with that. And yeah, a couple of the numbers here. New versus returning customers, £11.13 for returning customers. New customers was costing us, we guessed, around about £30. Average order value just under £25. And we generated net new subscribers of what we believe to be 567. So 567 net new subscribers, and that essentially didn't cost us anything. We actually made a profit doing that, generating those new subscribers. So it was great. And then we took this campaign, to the next stage. As I say, it was a new campaign where we put, we were emailing for the next, 2 months leading up to kind of Christmas, emailing these new subscribers, and they were buying, which was great. So all in all, really, really happy. Love using Zipify. Find it so easy to use. Love all of listening to Ezra's stuff as well. You'll notice a lot of the campaign which I've just showed you here was modeled off the back of what Ezra and Smart Marketer have been teaching, and to have the tools that Zipify offer. And we also use one-click upsell as well, which I can show you in another video how we get used with that. I just really love using the tools. So really appreciate all the info that Zipify put out, Ezra puts out, and really enjoy using the tools. So, okay, that's it. Thanks.